Hi, I'm San Sukumaran, Doctor of Audiology, Clinical Director at the Ear Company. Welcome back to All About Hearing. You know, in society we have these norms that we've created, and some of them surround our health care. So it's fairly normal for someone to go in and see their optometrist regularly. I want to have my eyes checked from time to time on a fairly regular basis to know where my vision is and if it's changing or not. And we have no problem, going and doing that and being on top of things, even if it's just for information. For some reason, and I have some ideas about what they are, but for some reason we just don't feel comfortable or feel it normal to go in for regular hearing checkups. We are doing better with those things, but we could do better. Now when a baby is born, we have a hearing test. A lot of people understand that when their child is ready to go to school, it's a great idea to have those ears checked to make sure they're okay before you go into the classroom setting. And oftentimes that accompanies having the eyes checked too. However, down the road, it's not as normal. You don't see a point at which it becomes important. Certainly if you work in an industry where there's a risk of noise exposure and damage, you may have hearing testing done then. But unless you're having an obvious problem, you're not going to come in for a regular hearing test. Well, you'll hear me oftentimes proposing the importance of baseline hearing assessment and then periodic assessment. You just don't know what's happening with a sense like your hearing because you can't be the best judge of that. I always say that we base normal upon ourselves. We have nothing else to go by other than what we know. So with hearing, much like vision, much like the dental things, it really becomes important that you go into that for assessment in order to know where you are. So the best thing you can do is to start having it tested, create a baseline, and then a follow-up process where you can see what it's doing. It takes a couple of points in order to really figure that out. It's a great idea to have your hearing tested regularly. Until next time, I'll talk to you on All About Hearing.
All About Hearing is brought to you by the Ear Company on Lansdowne Street. The Ear Company, your best choice for better hearing.